Alright, I got a 2000 GMC 2500, and like I said, it looks like this is a common problem with these old Chevys. Your truck is cranking and it doesn't start. You don't have any spark, and I think this truck had fuel pressure, but I didn't get any spark. And I came up here, and the first thing I was checking was these few fuses here. You only got a few of them on here. But this one here was blown. The 20 amp fuse for the ECM1 was blown. I swapped this one out with a 20, which was originally that what was in it. Put it in, truck fired up. But like I said, we have to further diagnose this problem. This truck just kind of shut off on the customer. I'm gonna go back here and check on the wiring for the fuel pump and see what we can figure out here. So like I said, if you got this kind of body style with the 5.7 vortec, I would check these fuses before you do anything, buy any parts. Like I said, these fuses here will shut you down fast. So like I said, if this helps you out, push the like button. You want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.